extra camera here. And I heard I'm the one starting the vlog, so she literally just left.
Hey!
Yeah, she had to do stuff, so you guys are stuck with us. Laura, hope you enjoy this I hope you enjoy this really stupid footage. So. Oh, look at that. That's cute. Oh, here we go. Hey, this camera has a really good zoom. Do. How the cheesy music go. So, Laura's still in the driveway. Okay, now she's backing up. She's gonna drive. Oh, she touched the grass. I don't know if she touched the grass. No, bye, Laura. Have fun. Did you know that you guys are all super beautiful? And I love you. Even though I probably don't know, a lot of you. Hey, Betty, how's it going? I know you watch Laura's videos, so hi. You should watch mine, too, at Jasmine Doom. Laura, you should just speed this up, don't cut it out, just, speed it up a bunch, and I'll sound like a, and then I'll sound like a squeaky mouse, and I'll be like, me. You know what, you might go back, just go over this. 16.4 feet, we go to 240 below. I still work hard. I'm not doing this. But guys, I'll use digital for everything, and make it, bye, Laura. No, shut up. I love you so much. And the summer, and that is weird when guys, it's just, her. That's like weird. Summer / beginning of school year, I had to year. And everything I went through, school won't be the same if you weren't there. It was so much fun because I felt thing. It was boring and me usually low the whole time. Even though it's disgusting, it's still fun. And hopefully when school starts again, we'll play more games because it makes me happy and I'm sure you'll come now. Eat everything. Never mind, you want to stop again and then probably no, you know you want to come back and come tell. This is I'll leave red car. This might change red. But I love you. And it's great house for people. I love you. And our so but yeah. Okay, I'll give the headphones to you. Are you guys supposed to be? Actually, really good. That's like my dad. My mom. Yeah. Ready. No, you're reading. The next thing. And Laura, I love you. And yes, I'm just happy that I see you so much. I'm so blessed that I get to see you every day. Okay, not every day, but for sure every Tuesday. Okay, when Pretty Little Liars is on. I'm just happy I get to see you as much as I do, and I love you so much. So I appreciate everything you do for me, and I'm happy that you live in your camper. Well, I want you to get a house or an apartment, but I'm happy you're yes, swerve, yes. Wait, I got this. Can they see me? Ready? Watch me whip. Watch me, nay. Watch me whip. Watch me, nay. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. Now watch me pop. Okay, bye.
It's so freaking dark in here. Yes, let's watch that part again. This Pretty Little Liars episode's fucking crazy.
Spoiler alert, if you or you literally turn on every light for
Seriously! In the five-year jump clip at the end. Who is he? I wanna fucking know! And Sarah's a bitch! I said it so many times, so my battery and solar panel was sitting on the parking lot all day from let's see, it was getting hit with the sun at 8:30 when I woke up, so probably been getting hit with sun for an hour before that, so 7:30. And then it was probably getting hit with the sun until about 8 over there. So for about 12 hours, my battery's in charge. And look how bright it got in here. Crazy kids. Yeah, That's nice. Alrighty. So peace out, happiness, and I'll see you tomorrow. Alrighty. See you next time. Be good. Alright. No crash traffic now.